All right, got the E-Flite P-39, and it's got the flaps. We're gonna do a quick flight on it. Flies excellent, and she's off.
With the flaps up like that, it just keeps right on going. No,
Yeah.
look at it change angles.
Jeez, that flies good. Gets them all quick too. Looks like it's got plenty of power. And you're running this on a 3S or a 4S? 4S. Look at that. Lands like a big old baby. How about that?
How about that one?
That was nice. Nice and smooth.
Okay, I'll make a low pass with the wheels up this time.
Alright. Another good airplane by E-Flite. They really have figured out how to make some really good flying airplanes out of foam. I'm a fan, that's for sure. Look how that thing just creeps by.
See if we can do one from the other direction.
Wow. Plenty of power, nice light breeze here.
Okay, now we'll try for a full flap landing.
Full flap landing, okay.
Wheels down. I think I've got the flaps down on it. I do now.
Let's see here. Yes. Nice and smooth. Look, it just slows down nicely. How about that? Effortless. Effortless. That's one of those airplanes that makes you look like a stud there.
Lets you know how you're flying, doesn't it?
It definitely does.
Wheels coming up. Okay, let's see what it'll do in the roll department.
Let's see here.
Vertical roll.
All right. Oh, rolls are no problem for it. Very easy.
Let's see what it does on the loop.
Very nice.
Fast pass.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it's quick. Very easy to lose it. It gets small quick and it's very fast. I should have brought my radar gun out here. We could have seen what it's doing.
Okay, I'm throttled back now. Let's see what it does on the way down.
All right.
Going away from it.
All right.
Taking it back toward us. No power at all now.
No
She's
power.
just coasting back home. I'm not going to land it this time. I just let it settle on down.
Just cruising on in.
And I'll get the power right about here.
Nice. Look at that vertical.
Now I'm going to go to half power. That's half power right there. Let's see what it looks like coming by.
Cooking.
Half power
Nice.
pass.
That was half power and it was doing pretty good. Plenty of power for that airplane.
Okay, let's see what the half power looks like on the loop.
Half power loop. No problem at all.
And a roll with half power.
No problem at all with the roll. It's looking pretty good. Coming on down.
Still half power.
So you literally can cruise this thing on half power and probably maximize that flight pack in there.
Flying time, yep.
It's doing really good.
It's been up for a little over 3 minutes. I'm going to increase the power just a little bit because I can feel the battery letting go somewhat.
Oh wow.
And that's 2 clicks above half power.
Wow, how about that? You've been up for 5 minutes so far.
Well, I think a little bit less than 5. I don't know. Counting gliding time.
Oh yeah. Just
Kind of a big roll.
what's like a victory roll there.
Let's see if I can do that.
There we go.
One of them kind of rolls.
All right.
Okay, next pass, I'm going to put the gear down and try to land it in front of us.
All righty.
Gear going down. Flaps down. And power's off. Let it come on down.
It just floats. It's a good flying airplane. Very fast.
Now I'm holding down the elevator to get it to come down with the flap.
So it just wants to. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Love it when an airplane settles down like that and is super predictable. That's the E-Flite P-39. It's a winner.
No brakes on it.
No brakes. Nice.